Dear students, today we will discuss about how to calculate mode for individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Mode is a measure of central tendency. It is the most frequently occurring value in a data. Let us see an example. In the first data given, 10, 9, 5, 8, 3, 2, 1, there is no mode because no numbers are frequently occurring. In the second data given, 10, 10, 10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 4, 12, 10. Here, 10 is appearing 4 times, 9 is appearing 1 time, 8 is appearing 1 time, 5 is appearing 1 time, 4 is appearing 2 times, 12 is appearing 1 time. So, the maximum number of appearance is for 10. So, you can say 10 is a mode here. In the next example, 10, 10, 8, 8, 5, 7. 10 is appearing 2 times and now also 8 is appearing 2 times. So, you can say it is bimodal. There are 2 modes for that set of data. 10 and 8 are the mode in the given examples. So, let us see mode for ungrouped data, or you can say individual data. First, you arrange the data in the increasing order. The example is given as 30, 23, 32, 29, 23. So, here 23 has appeared twice while other values are represented 1. So, mode is 23 only. Now, the calculation of mode by frequency distribution, or you can say the discrete data. This is very easy. See, the observations are given, the score of the mark is given, and the frequency is also given in the next column. 14 2 times, 37 5, 48 13, 70 15, 33 6, 67 3. So here what you have to see is which number is having highest number of frequency. So 15 is the highest number of frequency it is having. So you can say that here 70 is a mode because 70 is appearing 15 times in this discrete distribution. So 70 is the mode. Calculation of mode for a grouped frequency distribution or continuous data. Formula for calculating mode for continuous data is L plus H into F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Here, L is the lower boundary of the model class, F1 is the frequency of model class, F0 is the frequency of pre-model class, F2 is the frequency of class succeeding model class, and H is the width of class interval. I repeat, the formula for calculating mode is L plus H into F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. L is lower boundary of the model class, F1 is frequency of model class, F0 is frequency of pre-model class, F2 frequency of class succeeding model class, H is the width of class interval. Let us see an example. Calculate mode for the following data. The score is given in the first column, frequency is given in the second column, 0 to 5, 7, 5 to 10, 3, 10 to 15, 20, 15 to 20, 15, 20 to 25, 5. Here, 20 is a maximum number of frequency. So, the model class is 10 to 15. So, the lower limit of the model class is 10. So, L is equal to 10, H is 5. H we got by subtracting 25 minus 20. So, you get 5, or 10 minus 5, and also you get 5. So, subtracting the upper limit, lower limit from the upper limit of the class interval, you will get the class width. So, 5 is the width of this interval. F1 is the model class frequency, and F0 is 3, that is a pre-model class frequency, that is 3 here, and F2 is the frequency of the frequency of the host model class, that is 15 Here the model class is 10 to 15. So pre and post numbers are noted as F1, as F0 and F2. And we are going to substitute all these values in the formula. Formula is again L plus H into F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. So while substituting, you will get the final answer as 10 plus 3.86. So the answer is 13.86 is the answer. 13.86 is the mode of this problem. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe the channel for more videos and see the description box for links of other problems. Thank you.